Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design Learning SolidWorks Surfacing. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the freeform tool. So for the freeform tool, it is unable now. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to make one body which is a square. Okay, I will make one, I will try to make one pillow out of that because it is very hard to make something from the freeform tool for me. Personally, I don't use much for the surfacing, but for the knowledge, I am sharing this tool for you. So as you can see, it is unable now. To any surface, if you want to make complex structures, like if you want to create a mountains, create cars from one box, okay, as you have seen in the Fusion 360, in Fusion 360 it is a very accurate. I don't know about the SolidWorks, but you can just go to it. If you are expert, you can make anything out of that, right, from the box. I will select the freeform tool. Now you have the face setting. Whatever faces you, wherever you have to apply the operation, you can just select the face, and this will separate the face into cells where you can add your curves. Just like I will tell you the importance of curves. What are that? Okay, so let's say I've added this kind of curves, and also you can flip the direction where you can apply the horizontal side and vertical side. Both you can just do. Now if you add the point, let's first go to the curve. So as you can see, if I select the curve, you can just right click after placing the curve, and if you do the right click, then you are only able to do the operations. Let's say I have some points over here, right? So what you can do, you can just add the points like that, and you can just drag it after right clicking on it. So you can just drag it. If you have some reference picture in the front view or top view, you can just shape it accordingly, right? So it will be better to create something from the image, right? So I'm not expert in this freeform tool because I am not used to it. If I want to disturb this geometry from this point, so you can do, if you want to add more points, you can just click and it will add something like that. Okay, and right click, and it will be, you will be able to control that point. Just like that, I will select this curve and take it more from this side, this curve from this side, and I don't know what I'm making, but yeah, feels good. So something like that, you can just make a pillow out of it, a very beautiful pillow. If you click on it, it will create something like that. Oh, it is very what I have made, I don't know. Let's do one operation on the other side. Freeform, go to this, add curves, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and flip direction, 1 2 3 4. Okay, done. And then you can go to the air points between middle. Okay, I think there is no need of creating the points. So yes. Oops. Oh, I never thought this would be something hilarious, right? Oh, and you can just simply drag the point and want to add something like that. You can make beautiful things out of it if you practice this in a better way after placing the pictures, right? So it will be very good. So just like that, you can create something very hilarious 3D model. Okay, so this is how you can use the freeform tool, which will help you to create improper geometries and yes, so many things like this. So this is how you can use the tool. And yeah, this is all for the video, and keep sharing, keep learning, keep liking the videos, and subscribe our channel and share it as much as possible. Thank you so much.